Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder login out. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder login out, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list, we'll search about the application of Tinder. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll go to the window of storage. After that, we click clear cache, and in the end of all the steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.